Everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. On this video, we'll be making this adorable little earring, perfect for summer, and this is using the Softflex Design Kit Exotic Blooms, and I will leave a link down below in the description for any of the items that are still available on softflexcompany.com. Always posting new content and tutorials, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give this video a like so you will be notified when I upload a new video. All the items are from the kit, from the Exotic Bloom Design Kit, and Softflex kits are amazing. They come out once a month. So I will leave a link down below for the new kit. It is called Turtle Love. So to start making these earrings, we will just need our Softflex wire. So let's start creating our flower earrings. So we're going to need our Softflex wire, and this is the quartz color. It came in the design kit. We'll need about 6 or 7 inches of wire per earring. We have our beading wire. We're going to string on one of, I believe they're 3 or 4 millimeter shell beads. And these were exclusive in the kit. If you don't have the kit, you can use any 3 or 4 millimeter bead. Then we're going to use one of these little rondels, shell rondels, and you can use a metal daisy spacer. When we add on our little shell bead, we have to make sure that it passes back through both wires. It's going to look like that. And this is the center of our flower. So we have this design. And then we're going to use our little silver bead, and this was part of the Jesse James Beads exclusive mix. So we have our little flower. And we're going to use one of our 2x2s, and we're going to slide it on. Here's the little trick that I kind of found out by accident. Don't you just love that when you're designing a project and you're like, oh, I didn't mean to do that, but I love how it turned out. So we want one of our wires. It doesn't matter which one. We want to make sure that there's a little loop. So you want to make sure that there's just that little loop on top. And then we have our 2x2 up against our pink bead. And by creating this loop, you're creating the loop to hang your ear wire for your earring. So you just want to make sure that they're fairly the same size. And then we'll just take our pliers and give it a smash. So once we have the loop, the right size we need, just going to hold that down. Take our pliers, give it a smash, and then we're just going to rotate. And this will give it a more professional look. So we have our little loop. We're going to take our earring finding, put it through our loop, and give it a close. Just going to move it off to the side, and we're going to make our little wrapped loops with these pink beads, or these fuchsia color beads. So we're just going to put them on a head pin, and if you have a one-step looper, you can use that as well. So you're just going to grab your round nose pliers, give it a bend straight down, and you're going to have your loop. Then I'm just going to trim my wire and then round my loop. So we have a little loop. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Put on our bead, make a 90-degree bend, bend straight down. You could do a wrapped loop if you would like, completely up to you. You can also make your own head pins out of the Softflex craft wire and give it like a little swirl. So there's a lot of designs that you can do with this. So we have our little loops. And we're going to use those to attach on the bottom of the earring. So we're going to slide on our beads. And these little green rondels were part of the kit. They did have them sold separately after kit day, but I'm not sure if there's any left. So we have our 4 green beads, a 2x2, and our little pink drop. We're going to take our Softflex wire and just pass back through our 2x2. And then we'll just go ahead and give it a little smash. I'm not going to worry about rounding it just yet until I have my other ones on. And if the tail is in the way, you can go ahead and trim your tail. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. And you can make this an asymmetrical earring design if you want, like you can alternate the beads, completely up to you. We're going to do the same thing. Put on that 2x2 and our little dangle, and then just back through our 2x2. Make sure everything is even and compare your sizes. Then take our pliers and we'll just go and give it a little smash. And now we can rotate and round. We'll do the same thing on the other side. And if you want, you can add your little dangles at the end and just make your wrapped loop, whatever is easier for you. We're going to trim off our soft flex wire. Make sure we save it for another project. We have our beautiful floral earrings, our tropical floral earrings. We have our beautiful floral earrings. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for other content. Have a wonderful day.